Here it is, folks. The VCR that you guys complained about to repair the one that we talked about. So here we go. We got it on. I just turned it off. Here it is. Okay, we're going to put it inside. Remember how I did a video before and we talked about the Funai Shichiba VCR with the cassette tape of it was a Christmas one, and it was back in February 1st. It was a video I released. This is not the same VCR. This is the VCR that I posted about the long time ago when I showed in January. It was the January update in the living room. This is that VCR that was in there. So, this is the one about the... see how the door doesn't close? There's something wrong with it. Comes to find out, I paid $40 to find out that the side part in there's broke. On one of the sides in here is broken. So, and anyways, we have short circuit, which we were able to test this on. There's something there. 1043960294. And this happens to be a 1986 pressing, I think. No, this is 1986. So, much newer press. You can see, obviously, the box was obviously not really good taken care of. You can't really find good stuff anymore in the VHS market. It's all like this, where there's something wrong with it. So, however, though, that's all that's wrong with this unit. Is that one loading piece over here on the side over here. It needs to be replaced. I don't know how to get another one of those. I was wondering if there was some schematics to 3D print it or not. Or I don't know how to do any of that really. So I took it into a shop, paid $40. So to find out that it needs to have that part replaced. And that's all that's wrong with it, so. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Super Satin Productions.